Welcome back, Flare community. Today, I really want to talk about CoinMarketCap's recent meltdown and the importance of having a decentralized on-chain oracle. So let's jump in. Yesterday, CoinMarketCap had an absolute fiasco with all of these crazy price estimations for various assets. Now, as you can see here, they are highly overvalued with various millions of percentage increases, and this really threw off a lot of people. People thought that they was trillionaires overnight, and even though CoinMarketCap almost made a joke of it, how did it feel to be a trillionaire over the last couple of hours? Let me tell you, this is no laughing matter, especially because the CoinMarketCap API actually emits prices, meaning that they can connect to the CoinMarketCap API and they will basically get a stream of prices from CoinMarketCap. As you can imagine, many people were obviously very surprised at these very highly inflated prices. CoinMarketCap say that following the irregularities we observed in our platform this afternoon, despite the issue having been fixed, we will be rebooting our servers as a final step in accordance with our internal remediation plan. Apologies for the inconvenience. And honestly, I imagine many people, especially those with trading bots, may have been actually burnt by this, triggering massive buy orders, especially if they were relying on this one API to get their data. Now, no one says it better than Wrath of Kahneman. I would highly recommend checking him out on Twitter if you are yet to do so. He says, market pump coincides with CoinMarketCap glitch. Just a heads up, reliable oracles will be paramount. Cue FTSO discussions. And yes, the FTSO is really what I want to focus on in this video and highlight just how important it actually is. We can scroll down here and Short the FOMO, another legend within the XRP community, just goes to show or highlight these FTSOs that may be just using CoinMarketCap data. Now, it's very possible that these FTSOs may have just conveniently gone out and not been submitting prices at this particular time, but very interesting nonetheless. And I don't want to expose these FTSOs, but this is the beauty of the time series oracle. It aggregates data from multiple signal providers. And this is my thoughts on this current situation. The importance of an on-chain oracle has been highlighted by CoinMarketCap and their inaccurate prices they recently emitted via their API. The future is decentralized. The future is Songbird and Flare networks and their respective time series oracles. Now, just to give you a brief overview of what the oracle is, the time series oracle, it's actually a protocol which runs on the network itself, on the Flare network and the Songbird network. The data is sourced from currently 97 signal providers using a proprietary algorithm. The data is then truncated by removing the top and bottom 25%, and then an average price is calculated from that dataset. This is for each integrated asset on the network. True decentralization built from the ground up. And this is extremely important because all of the applications running on the Songbird or Flare network are actually going to rely on the data and the prices emitted from the time series oracle. So to put this simply, you have the time series oracle and it's receiving data from what we call signal providers. And the signal providers are entities which are grabbing prices for multiple assets from different exchanges, and this is what makes it decentralized. They gather data from all these different exchanges and then they use their own calculations to come up with a price which they think accurately represents the price of a given asset. Every 3 minutes, each of these signal providers, all 97 of them, submit their prices to the time series oracle. And then the time series oracle will be responsible for creating a calculated average based on that data set, and then that is the true price given to be used within the network. If the time series oracle relied solely on one single data provider, such as CoinMarketCap, the situation would be very bleak for all applications built on top of the network. The Songbird and Flare network really are miles ahead of the game. They have this built-in oracle, similar to Chainlink, but they have this on this layer 1 solution. It's a smart contract platform. It's using federated Byzantine agreements, so it's cheap, it's fast, it's scalable, and soon the Flare team are actually going to unlock the functionality for the state connector and the F asset system. And this is going to be an absolute game changer. It's going to allow all of these different integrated assets, that's XRP, Dogecoin, XLM, Litecoin, and Algorand, to be able to interact with each other on the various decentralized applications. It really is something special to behold, and I can't wait until the next step of the evolution occurs. So that's it, that's my rant over for today. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and yes, until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.